Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about primary data and primary data collection methods. First of all, the definition of primary data. So, the data which is collected directly from the field by the researcher is called primary data. The exact definition is it is the original first-hand data collected directly by the researcher for a specific research purpose. So this is the definition of primary data. Now what are the primary data collection methods? We have 5 primary data collection methods. First one is direct personal investigation, indirect oral interviews, questionnaires, schedules, telephone interviews. What is this direct personal investigation? The researcher, he himself goes to the field of research and he directly collects the data. That is direct personal investigation. So in this type of data collection, we can completely 100% rely on the data which we have collected, and it is a little bit time consuming and it is a little bit costly, but we will get the clear cut information for our research. And then indirect oral interviews. So nowadays we are getting information by online interviews, telephone interviews, and so on like that. So from one place we can collect the data from the other place by oral interviews. And the third important one in primary data collection is questionnaires. So for our research problem, first we will prepare a questionnaire with minimum 15 questions. Our questions should be open-ended questions, multiple choice questions, yes or no questions, and fill in the blanks type like that. So we will prepare 15 questions and more questions for our research problem and research objective, and we will give that questionnaire to the respondents for our data collection. Here the schedules. Schedules are also like the questionnaires only, but here in questionnaires the respondent will answer all the questions. Here in schedules we will ask the questions to the respondent will give the answers, we will fill those answers in our questionnaire. So that is the type of schedules. And telephone interviews are also one of the data types. Through telephone interviews we can also collect primary data, but exact data we can rely 100% on direct personal investigations and questionnaires, even though they are time consuming and they are costly. So these are the primary data collection methods. So there are other methods nowadays through fax, through online interviews, and through emails we can also collect primary data.